This is a certified pre-owned 2010 Lincoln Town Car. It has a 4.6-liter 8-cylinder engine and a 4-speed automatic transmission. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, power adjustable driver pedals, a low tire pressure indicator, 9 strategically placed speakers, aluminum wheels, and much more. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, cruise control, an auto-dimming rearview mirror, a CD player, leather seats, a security system, privacy glass, a traction control system, front and rear reading lights, and this vehicle has fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer. The Lincoln certification includes a 169-point inspection and reconditioning process, a 6-year, 100,000-mile limited warranty, plus 24-hour roadside assistance. Contact us today to schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.